Hello everybody and welcome back to German Auto House. If you're not subscribe to our channel, ring that bell and you get more cool info and car. Today is Monday and let's walk around and check what our plan for this week and what we want to do on this week. Audi R8. If you watch our vlog, guys, you remember we work on the engine, the spring from intake valve, I believe. It's broken half and brings so much problem for us, but actually it's fixed. That car is run over 20k miles without any issue except one. Front diff is down. Yeah, we have new one. I mean, not new, it's used one, but it's really low miles. We already replaced and flush gear fluid. This is let's see. This is the filling plug. This is draining plug from gear oil, and this is from Haldex. Draining, filling, and this is level. And this is with a water cooled. Haldex is water cooled. BMW. Hard time with this BMW. If you watch our vlog, guys, we always have problem. Not we, customer. And this is really unlucky car. It's engine number 5 in there, and that engine is really good except one thing we can fire up because no compression. The engine came from car what is totally burned, and I believe that car is sitting long time. And I think inside the hydraulic lifters, the engine oil what is filled the hydraulic lifters change viscosity now and still like push a little bit valve, and we lose compression on intake because when we start cranking, we see the fog. Let's show what's going on. Okay, Ilya, we can show. Okay, you can see when we start cranking, just like gasoline going out. I think the first crank is just try, because first crank we have little compression, something around 6 bar, it means some 100 psi. But let's try. Maybe now, guys, when we try to crank, it's fire up and we don't have a problem anymore. Let's try. No luck. yeah, just like you heard the first like a pop, it's try to fire up, but compression is out, no compression, and you see this fog came from this pipe. This is inlet pipe, and because intake valve is open, and they just push back the fuel mixture, and you see this like that fog from fuel mixture. I don't know what we're planning to do. I think just like we just a little bit leave this car maybe for today because it's really busy, but my plan is drain it engine oil and drain it coolant and fill the engine with diesel, and diesel is really soft, and this is like in Russia we use, it's like a like a flush, engine oil flush. After we did before we did oil change, like example, we just drain engine oil and then fill engine with exactly same capacity, but this is diesel fuel, and then just fire up and leave at idle like 3-4 minutes, and this system flush by itself, and all dust, carbon build. When you shut down, you drain that fluid, that diesel fluid, and you clean the engine like that. It's working. This is what my grandfather say. It really works, and this is what I planning to do. Just like fill with the diesel and try to crank to clean that old engine oil from the lifters. I hope this is help, because the second way, pull out the cylinder head and check actually what happens. And one more car, one more project. We start work on this F550. You can see on this vlog because we have the fix before Wekfest, and that car is going to big concourse in Seattle. Yeah, this week, really soon, we start work on this car. So many things. Exhaust is done. You can see in the previous vlog how is exhaust, what this Lisa did. And this blue one, cylinder head over there, but for this car we have a different vlog about this build, and we will show you about cylinder head and about changes on this car after last couple months, right? Couple months. Huracan. It's pretty simple for us. We don't want to make a lot of accent on this car, and I mean about the service, because we show guys you many times about service, and you can see and you can find on our vlogs. Really sorry if we make one vlog in one time about our week and what we done on this week. If we have any cool project, we make like that, yeah, right. Or we have actually the last week we post about our off-road ML, and okay, we want to make one vlog about that ML, how we lift that car, what we added, that bumper and suspension, yeah. Just like we make one video, maybe some for somebody help if somebody want to make the same project, because actually M500 or that W163 body is really nice, not that expensive than Toyota 4Runner or any other Japanese off-road like Lexus or what is Tundra, right?
Yeah. Toyota
and Lexus, they really expensive, 300,000 miles on the clock and cost like 20k, yeah. But ML, guys, ML is really nice. It's off-road. You can with the lock, with the automatic. It's a strong engine, 5-liter V8 power, and it's very cheap. Like you can get this car for $5,000 easy. And if you decide to find more cooler ML, it's a ML55. Your dream, Ilya. Maybe one day, but actually we have one is shop car is for off-road, for making fun. Okay, it's gonna be one more video about that ML. Huracan, we did a 4-year service. 5 year?
4 or 5.
Yeah, just spark annual service, brake flush, but we added one more cool things. It's a Steiner rear wing. Just simple, looks nice, brings more attention, nice design, and perfect quality. But okay, let's start first with the differential. Let's replace that differential and jump to Ferrari.
Having fun?
Yeah. Cabin filter. Yeah, you can see, guys, how many bolts just for filter. And let me quickly. Something missing. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I think this is from the inside. For cabin filter on Huracan, yeah. This trim from this area. This few more trim. This is the side plastic piece. Oh yeah, like that. One more cover, triangle cover, and this small cover just clip out, and then main bolt. Yeah, I already take out. Then pull this. Can you hold flashlight please for me? Oh, okay. One clip over there. Socket connector. Yep. And here is the cabin filter. Let's take the cover off. Oh, nobody replace never, because it's take a time. See, this is, oh yeah, it's really old. Ooh. Oh, I see the bird. Come on, come on, come on. Shit. Well, that. Yeah, it's dusty. Nobody replaced, never. And now we need to install the new filter and assemble everything back, and it's ready to go. Well,
ooh, rear-wheel drive.
no, this is rear-wheel drive. Yeah, you can see how is the now looks tunnel without the diff. Axle still there. We just like open few bolt and we have a room. Blah blah blah. Coolant. We close the pipe, and right here it's new diff, already filled fluid, and this is what happens with old one. See? What is the bearing? No bearing. Nothing here.
It's called weight reduction.
Weight reduction. Yeah. Now we need to install and do some few adaptation tests and ready to drive.
Time to marry it.
Time to marry it.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to install the housing, and we need rubber over there. We need some one things and axle, and then tight everything. Pim. Okay, no worries. Let me. Yeah, now done. Okay, guys. Diff is in, everything check it, and let's go to test drive. But first we need, the Haldex is work always. It's like turn and oh, nice. One more time, start. Looks like sound is good. Let's go to driveway, up to hill. Yeah, let's try to up to hill and a little bit accelerate. Nice. No clicking sound. Everything looks good. $76,000 miles. Yeah. Everything is good, no any clicking, grinding sound. For me, all system working fine. No noisy, no bearing sound. I hope we fix the issue. Car is done, back to customer, and car back to customer. We are back to our projects, and I would like to start work on Ferrari now. Well, back to Beamer. Little bit noisy. Lisa do her magic. I'm working on BMW, and now I just mix the diesel fluid with engine oil. You can see. Come on. Almost. Okay. 1.5 liter engine oil and 3.5 liter of the diesel fuel. Now I mix it, fill it, and again I need like something around 8 liter. And I would like to try to crank. Okay, let's try. with a diesel fluid inside, diesel fuel, doesn't matter. And yeah, I think first crank is gonna be some pop. Okay.
Yeah, this is like all mixture going on. You can see the smoke. Yeah. No compression.
Just give cool down to the starter, just like 10 seconds, and hit again. I hope maybe this helped to clean inside the pump. I think I hear more pop than before. Maybe. Okay, hit again.
Yeah, I feel some like
the wave from the piston. Okay, I think I just want a little bit warm up engine oil with the heat gun and we'll see. We will try again the heat gun over there. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. We have some. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, babe. Crank again. I hope nothing blows. Huh? Let's leave again a little bit, and after I think 10, yes, he's still smoking, but the cooler, oh yeah, I feel the hot, intercooler is hot. Wow, maybe. Okay. Okay guys, we pull engine out, we set timing, and you can see what's going on. Man, this is the other side. Yeah, this is 90 degrees from the cam. You can see somebody do some shit over there, and it's a 90 degree from cam. It's missing, and it looks like if somebody work on this car, they just install these cam tools upside down, and 180 degree missing from crank and 90 degree missing from cam. Okay, here is the things. We set timing now and check what's going on. We do the leak down test and check if everything is good and fine. We everything assembled back and install engine back together. But fuck, bring some problem. Well, after another 16 hours for that BMW challenge, car is done, running like a charm, no issue at all. Already hit 150 miles, and I would like to cross my finger because this is already engine number 5 inside. I mean, it's funny but really not funny. 5 engine, a lot of money, and car is back to stock. A lot of time. Anyway, car is good and ready to customer. We need to wash this guy and say bye-bye. I hope just for oil change in the future.